What's up YouTube, Leo here with the nerdinitiative.com, bringing you an unboxing video of our very first Loot Crate package. Now for those of you that don't know what Loot Crate is, you can check them out at www.lootcrate.com, and what it is a monthly subscription that allows you to receive a special crate package in the mail. You don't know the contents until you receive it. That's what makes this thing so cool. Their focus is basically nerdy, gamer type stuff. And this Loot Crate that we're going to open will be the 12-month anniversary Loot Crate, I believe. So this is what you get in the mail. You get a little black box. It says Loot Crate. It's actually a pretty cool box. Got your little hashtag Loot Crate here. So this is what you receive in the mail. You don't know what the contents are until you open it up, or you can watch other people who receive theirs first. Luckily this ships from California, so I received it in about 2 days, but there are already videos servicing right now. So enough talk, let's go and crack this baby open. Get my knife. Just got to be careful opening this up if you're using a knife. Excuse me. So first things first, we have inside, I don't know if you can see it, it says tips for the perfect unboxing. So it says that here, tips for the perfect unboxing. Let's open it up and see what we got. It says here, document, share, and enjoy, which is what we're going to do right now. We have a Cake issue #1 book. It says Team Loot Crate on the back, we love you. This is the introduction to the Loot Crate 12-month anniversary. So it says here, happy anniversary, and so on. It's got a lot of info in here, stuff like that, so it's pretty cool. I'm going to have to take a look at this. It also says all the looter intel that fits to print, so this is issue #1. What else do we got? We got a t-shirt. I don't know if you all can see that. It's a pretty cool t-shirt. We have Aperture Laboratories lanyard, a Portal 2 Aperture Laboratories silicone wristband, shirt, Woot, $5 off, t-shirt I believe, at lootcrate.com. What else do we have? Ooh, we have some Jelly Belly candies. Aperture Laboratories temporary tattoo. What is this? Looks like we got Loot Crate decals, which is pretty cool. Probably pop one on my laptop or something, maybe on my car. And that's all of the contents in the box. Actually, you know what? I did forget one thing. We have from Funko Toys their new Mystery Minis series Walking Dead figures. So I've been collecting these for a while, ever since they came out, and trying to find specific ones. So let's go ahead and open this up, kind of an unboxing of the mystery minifigures. We'll go ahead and open this. and see which one we have. If it's the SWAT Walker, I will be very, very happy. Or glow in the dark, but we'll see. Anyone will do. And it looks like one that I already have, so I probably have about 4 of these. It's just a walker that's holding a deer leg or something. So here you have it. This is actually the Nerd Initiative's very first Loot Crate unboxing video. We're going to keep continuing our subscription with Loot Crate. I mean, this is an awesome idea. Shout out to them for doing this, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Go ahead and like or comment on this video if you like. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and please be sure to check out our website as well. And one more time, shout out to Loot Crate for making something awesome for us nerds, and go ahead and give them a follow as well on all social media. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time, guys.